Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. The shift to investors seeking out higher investment yield is playing out, with the current expectations being that interest rates will be lower over the next few years. With this, you can look at higher risk junk bonds for more significant yields, but it's a risky option that demands rigorous analysis. Instead, a good high yielding alternative is business development companies, or BDC for short. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, the mandate of a BDC is to make sound investments and deliver regular, consistent quarterly dividends, along with the potential for some capital appreciation to shareholders.
The structure of a BDC is to deliver income for investors by making debt and equity investments in small and medium-sized companies, including distressed companies. The BDC also provides capital and expertise to help companies grow or work on operational issues.
Yeah, and the income that flows from a BDC's investments is paid as dividends to shareholders. It's important to remember that a BDC is required to legally distribute at least a minimum of 90% of its taxable income and tax-exempt interest annually.
With that little bit of background on BDCs, one worth looking into is New Mountain Finance Corp. They're traded on NASDAQ under symbol NMFC. John, what can you tell us about this BDC?
Yeah, New Mountain Finance is a BDC that invests in upper middle market companies in the US with overweight in software companies. On September 30th, 2024, the top three industries New Mountain was invested in were software at 32%, followed by business services at roughly 20% and healthcare at almost 18%. BDC's portfolio has investments in 128 companies with a combined fair value of $3.28 billion. At the time of this recording, New Mountain is trading at around $11.45 per share, down from its 52-week high of $13.10 per share in December 2023, and its record high of $15.19 per share in May of 2015. Now, technically, NMFC stock is just above its 50-day moving average of $11.46 per share and below its 200-day moving average of $11.99 per share.
And John, how is it doing on the financial front?
New Mountain Finance Corp reports revenues as total investment income and earnings as net investment income. Total investment income jumped more than 30% to $374.8 million in 2023, from $294.6 million in 2022 and $271 million in 2021. Now, in the third quarter of 2024, New Mountain Finance reported total investment income of $95.3 million, which was up slightly from $94.3 million a year earlier. Now, for the 9 months to September 30th, 2024, the BDC's total investment income came in at $280.5 million. It's just down slightly from $281.8 million for the comparative period in 2023. Now, the results offer a pathway to meeting the consensus estimate. Analysts estimate that New Mountain Finance will report total investment income of $373.7 million in 2024 and $359 million in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, now let's talk a little bit about profitability. What is happening here?
On the bottom line, the BDC's net investment income after adjustments jumped from 75 cents per share in 2022 to $1.34 per share in 2023. Now, in the third quarter of 2024, New Mountain Finance reported net investment income of 33 cents per share. That was down from 40 cents per share in 2022 and 2 cents short of consensus. Looking ahead, analysts expect net investment income of $1.39 per share in 2024, followed by $1.30 per share in 2025. New Mountain's balance sheet is typical of a BDC with a total debt of $199 billion. That was at the end of September 2024. And the total debt equity of 145.8% is manageable due to the steady profitability and free cash flow.
And I see that the NMFC stock offers strong dividend flow.
Yeah, New Mountain Finance paid a dividend of 32 cents per share in December for a total of $1.37 per share for 2024. That includes a supplemental dividend of 1 cent per share relating to the third quarter. The BDC's 2024 total dividends We're below its $1.49 per share paid out in 2023, but there were 5 payments in 2023 as well. Now, prior to this, New Mountain paid out $1.22 per share in 2022. Currently, NMFC stock's December dividend equates to a forward dividend yield of 11.36%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. In addition to paying steady dividends, New Mountain Finance has also been active in buying back its shares. The BDC announced that it would extend its stock repurchase program up to $50 million by 1 year to December 31st, 2025. New Mountain has bought back only around 2.9 million worth of its shares, so there could be strong buying in 2025, especially at the lower price. We like the pro-business climate under President Trump and possibility of declining interest rate environment over the next few years. In the meantime, an investor gets NMFC stock at a lower price while collecting steady, high-yielding dividend. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.